Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. The color of the season is red, and the fruit that takes center stage is the in-season red juicy strawberry. Other than being super yum, strawberries contain vitamin C that help boost your immunity. Mixing strawberries with avocados, a superfood, is a great source of potassium, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. और बनता है एक healthy, yummy recipe of the day, our very own strawberry salsa with avocado. तो शुरू करें? सबसे पहले we'll just make our salsa. Using just half the cut strawberries, white onions finely chopped, a de-seeded green chili, a spoon of jalapeno. It's avoidable if you don't like it, I love it. Mint leaves finely chopped, teaspoon of lemon juice, salt, teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Just mash it all down. Yes. You get your avocado. Very simple to nice, and scoop out the just place it. Add in the salsa. We've got some fresh feta cheese. Just crumble it. It's a fab combination. Under 5 minutes, guys. This was made in a jiffy and it just looks so pretty. I just love colors in my food. खाना बनाने के लिए सबसे important part होता है presentation. So try and make your food look as good as it tastes. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. याद रखो, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.